Hi Blocksters! The internet has changed dramatically since its inception. From an application layer protocol for real-time messaging to today's social networks, it has become a vital part of humanity's interactions. And at this point, it is just continuing to evolve. In this video, we will explain in simple terms what the concept of Web 3.0 is, how it differs from previous versions, and why cryptocurrency projects are an integral part of this.
Web 3.0 is a new generation of internet technology that relies heavily on the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence. The concept aims to create more open, interconnected, and intelligent websites and web applications that focus on machine understanding of data. Through the use of AI and advanced machine learning techniques, Web 3.0 aims to provide more specific and relevant information in the shortest possible time. This can be achieved through advanced developments in big data analytics and the use of more efficient search algorithms. At the moment, websites such as forums or social networks tend to contain static information or user-oriented content. While this structure allows information to be published to a wide range of people, it may not meet the needs of a particular user. A website should be able to adapt the information it provides to each user, similar to the dynamics of human communication in the real world. In Web 3.0, a huge amount of information will be available to websites and applications, and they will be able to understand and use this data in a way that makes sense for each user.
Web 3.0 will be born out of the natural evolution of older generation web tools combined with advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and blockchain, as well as the interconnectivity between users and the increasing use of the internet. Internet 3.0 is an update of its predecessors, Web 1.0 and 2.0.
Web 1.0, also called the static internet, was the first and most robust internet in the 1990s, even though it offered access only to limited information with little no user interaction. Web 1.0 had no algorithms to filter internet pages, making it extremely difficult for users to find relevant information. The social web, or Web 2.0, has made the internet much more interactive thanks to advanced in-web technologies such as JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, and so on, which allowed startups to create interactive web platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Wikipedia, and many others. This has paved the way for both social media and user-generated content, as data can now be distributed and shared across different platforms and applications. Web 3.0 is the next stage in the evolution of the internet, which will make the internet more intelligent or able to process information with near-human intelligence thanks to the power of artificial intelligence systems that can run intelligent programs to help users. Thus, both humans and machines would be involved in content creation and decision-making processes. This would make it possible to intelligently create and distribute personalized content directly to every internet consumer.
Web 3.0 is the coming third generation of the internet, in which websites and applications will be able to process information almost like humans, using technologies such as machine learning, big data, decentralized registry technologies, and others. To truly understand the next stage of the internet, we need to pay attention to four key features of Web 3.0. Ubiquity, semantic web, artificial intelligence, 3D graphics.
Web 3.0 takes it a step further by making the internet available to everyone, anywhere and anytime. At some point, the share of computers and smartphones among all internet-connected devices will drop many times over, as IoT technology will lead to many new types of smart devices. Applying semantic to the web will allow computers to decode meaning and emotion through data analysis, and this gives the best possible experience with data to every user. Because Web 3.0 machines can read and recognize the meaning and emotion conveyed by a set of data, this gives rise to intelligent machines. Although Web 2.0 provides similar capabilities, it's still based on living people who can make mistakes. Some futurists also call Web 3.0 the spatial web because it aims to blur the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds through revolutionary breakthrough in graphic technology. Unlike its 2D counterparts, 3D graphics provide a new level of immersion not only in futuristic gaming applications such as Decentraland, but also in other sectors such as real estate, healthcare, e-commerce, and many others.
Speaking of the new internet, we should know the innovations it brings with it. So at the forefront, of course, is the idea of decentralization. But that is not the only advantage of the new Web 3.0. In addition to the lack of central regulation, blockchain solutions have many other advantages. For example, all communication and data on the network can be tokenized. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like it.
No central point of control. Because intermediaries are eliminated, user data will no longer be under their control. This reduces the risk of censorship by governments or corporations and also reduces the effectiveness of denial of service attacks. Improved interconnectivity of information. As more and more products connected to the internet, big data packets provide algorithms with a significant amount of material to analyze. Advanced advertising and marketing. Web 3.0 aims to improve the selection of appropriate advertising by using smarter artificial intelligence-based systems to identify and specify appropriate audiences based on consumer data. Improved customer support. When it comes to websites and web applications, customer service is a key element of user interaction. However, because of the enormous cost of doing so, many web services that become successful fail to scale their customer service operations appropriately. By using smarter chatbots that can communicate with multiple customers simultaneously, users can have a superior experience with such support agents.
Regarding blockchain, Web 3.0 also means creating a more democratic, user-centric and decentralized internet. Instead of being owned by a single object, users can access multiple decentralized applications through a blockchain platform without permission. Here, control over data is strengthened while security is increased. In addition, because of the nature of blockchain technology, there are no intermediaries, making the network more efficient.
The simplest implementation of Web 3.0 can be found in Brave browser. Unlike Chrome and other centralized browsers, Brave refuses to track its users and block ads by default. However, if users choose to share their data, they are rewarded with the basic attention token for interacting with advertisers. Polkadot, on the other hand, is working on a more advanced implementation of a decentralized internet. The cryptocurrency project has built a decentralized protocol that acts as a bridge between all types of blockchain networks, including public, open, closed, private, and permission chains, enabling data transfer and application deployment on all connected networks. As a result, Polkadot has the potential to create a truly interoperable, highly scalable, and secure blockchain protocol that will drive innovation in the industry as the first step toward a decentralized Web 3.0 internet.
Thank you a lot for watching this video. Check out the channel for more videos.